Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will show you how to make a simple tabletop composition. So let's get started. First, I make the base for the composition. From a piece of foam board, I cut out a circle with a diameter of 12 centimeters and a retainer and a balloon stick are glued to it. The height of that stick is 50 centimeters. The wand should be strong enough and should not bend. Next, I inflate 12 12-inch balloons. I calibrate balloons by 20 centimeters. From these balloons, I make 2 clusters of 5 balloons and 2 balloons I tie together separately. I put one cluster on top of the other and tie the tails of the balloons together. Then, I insert 2 interconnected balloons, and I get the perfect balloon shape. Look, on each side you can see the shape of a flower with 5 petals and a central part. Now I'm making a cluster of 4 balloons. I use 12-inch balloons and calibrate them by 16 centimeters. I inflate two 12-inch balloons of the opposite color onto 6 full pumps and twist them in half. I twist them together and I get a cluster. I put a larger cluster on a smaller one, pass light balloons between pink ones, and I get a very solid foundation. I'm putting the sturdy clusters on the base. I glue a retainer to the top of the stick and attach the top bunch of balloons. For reliability, I fix the balloons with hot glue gun. Now you can add the decor as you wish. I tied an LED string around the composition and attached a teddy bear. The composition is very light, so it can be glued to the table with double glue or weighted with a small balloon with water. Thank you for watching us.